Hello everybody, it's me Sanja from grade 4. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve a cube. A cube has three main components: the centerpiece, the edge piece and the corner piece. At first we should make a daisy like this. The edge piece should be in white color and the centerpiece should be in yellow. You can make any color you want of the corner piece. And after that, we should align the edge piece and centerpiece with the same color. Like look at here. The edge piece is also in blue color and this centerpiece is also. So we should get it in its own place in the white centerpiece. After that, we should align other colors and do it. Like this, it is already finished. And the cross is completed. After that, we all know what should we do. We should get the colors in the corner piece in its own place. Like the green, I made the green one in the green and red one in the green and red place. After this, we have already completed one and we have already made the first layer. And now we should make the second layer by getting the white and doing like this and this. And these two have all been aligned. After that, we should do it to all of the colors. Like that, you can see the second layer is completed. But it doesn't automatically make the white cross doesn't automatically be made because we should make the white cross. But here, when I did, I was lucky. So the white cross has already been already. Now we should make this all in its own place. But there is one sad thing. All are not getting in its place, but only one is getting. Meaning all cannot get in the same place. So we should do an algorithm like this and still not. After that, we should do an algorithm like this. Even not done, we should do an algorithm like this. But still it is not finished. How many times should I do this algorithm? No. Finally, it is done. They are all aligned. So now it is the second last step, but we can call it the last two. If it will take time to make it. So let's make it. Finally one is made. Now I should do the second algorithm. It takes time to make the cube, and it finally it will take some time to solve it. After we solve these two, we should do this algorithm like this. Like this and this and this. Like if we do this, it should be here. So we should do the algorithm I teach you, and the cube is finally finished. Thank you.